So I learned an interesting lesson last night as I fought with the engine getting it in, or trying to get it in. If you are putting the engine in and the transmission is already in place, do yourself a favor on these C4 Corvettes. Put the clamshell in first. Don't bolt the clamshell to the engine. Put the clamshell in first. Put your long bolt in. The engine will sit right down in place. It'll slide right back. It'll go on with no problem. And wiggle the block around a little bit, get your bolts lined up, hover it just a tad with the engine hoist, and it's what I fought with for an hour yesterday. Took me 10 minutes today. Hopefully this will help somebody else.